Our business is 100% biodegradable, compostable, and then it's 100% safe to use also. It doesn't react with any food. All the raw materials which are collected are also naturally fallen leaves. We don't cut down any trees, so it is a green product. We started this business in 2014, and since then we have been getting a very positive response. Before in Bhutan, we didn't have such products. The only products was the plastic and thermo products. Our products is far more better than the plastic products because this is strong. You can use this in microwave, or you can keep it. You can store the food in the fridge also. It's completely safe. If everybody can help encourage using these products, then the use of plastic will be reduced. Not disposing the plastics anywhere, and at least make our country a healthy country and a beautiful country. So I think that way we can make a big difference now. Collecting the raw material from the farmers, it's very difficult to convince them. But now they have been understanding and then helping us get the raw material.
Seroni da sing an burina mila. Ne tha haing pe khamlok pabu thomu malami ni gi chung babu hiba malamang popu ni osa shudong ka tong ni da zeri tiriti nyogla.
We did not start this business thinking that it will grow big or something, but because of the support we are getting, we will be able to expand more. We are getting lots of demand from India and Singapore also, so hopefully we will be able to export outside.